Hello everyone, welcome to the Homeosoul. Today we are learning in a details about the palmar aspect of a wrist and the hand. The human hand is designed for grasping, for a precise movement, for serving as a tactile organ. There is a big area in the motor cortex of a brain for the muscles of the hand. The skin of a palm is supplied by a spinal nerve root value C6, C7 and C8. The superficial fascia of the palm contain the subcutaneous muscle, the palmaris brevis, which help in improving the grip by steadying the skin on the ulnar side of the hand. The deep fascia is specialized to form the flexor retinaculum at the wrist, the palmar aponeurosis in the palm, fibrous flexor sheath in the fingers. What is the flexor retinaculum? So it is the strong fibrous band which bridge the anterior concavity of the carpus and convert it into the tunnel called as the carpal tunnel. Then the relation of the flexor retinaculum are structure that passing superficial to the flexor retinaculum, that are the palmar cutaneous branch of a median nerve, the tendon of a palmaris longus, palmar cutaneous branch of a ulnar nerve, ulnar vessels, that is artery and the vein, the ulnar nerve, the thenar and the hypothenar muscles arises from the retinaculum. Then structure passing deep to the flexor retinaculum are the median nerve, four tendons of the flexor digitorum superficialis, four tendon of a flexor digitorum profundus, tendon of a flexor pollicis longus, ulnar bursa, radial bursa, tendon of the flexor carpi radialis that lies between the retinaculum and its deep sleep in the groove of the trapezium. The palmar aponeurosis. So, palmar aponeurosis is the term which is used for the entire deep fascia of the palm. It is triangular in the shape, and the function of a palmar aponeurosis is it fixes the skin of the palm and thus improve the grip. It also protects the underlying tendons, the vessels and the nerves. Then fibrous flexor sheath of the fingers. The fibrous flexor sheath are made up of the deep fascia of the finger. The fascia is thick and it arched. It is attached to the side of phalanges and across the base of the distal phalanx. Proximally, it is continued with the sleep of the palmar aponeurosis. Clinical anatomy of the palm. So there is the Dupuytren contracture. So this condition is due to the inflammation that involving the ulnar side of a palmar aponeurosis. There is the thickening and a contraction of the palmar aponeurosis. Then the next topic is the intrinsic muscle of the hand. So there are total 20 muscles in our hand, and that are three muscles of the thenar eminence, that is the abductor pollicis brevis, flexor pollicis brevis and the opponens pollicis. One abductor of the thumb, that is the adductor pollicis. Four hypothenar muscles, that is the palmaris brevis, abductor digiti minimi, flexor digiti minimi and the opponens digiti minimi. The flexor digiti minimi and the opponens digiti minimi are the muscles of the hypothenar eminence. Four lumbricals, four palmar interossei and the four dorsal interossei. So there are total 20 muscles. Then the action of a thenar muscle is movement of the thumb across the palm to touch the other digits is known as the opposition, and this movement is the combination of a flexion and the medial rotation. Then the actions of the dorsal interossei. All the dorsal interossei causes the abduction of the digits away from the line of the middle finger. Then the testings of some of the intrinsic muscle. So there are some tests for the intrinsic muscles, and that are the pen pencil test. This test is done for the testing of abductor pollicis brevis. The Froment's sign or the book test. This test is done for testing the adductor pollicis muscle. So here we will stop. Next topic, the remaining part of the palm we will take in a next video. The arteries and the nerves of the palm we will take it in a next video. So thank you so much for watching and listening the video carefully. If you like my work, please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and also share to your friends more and more. Thank you so much.